subscribe my channel, and click on bell icon for latest video. Introducing LG 360 cams, with compact design fits right in your hand. Take off the case, and push the button on the side to turn it on. To shoot photos or videos, push the button on the front. Press the power button for about a second to put it in power save mode. The case is like a tripod. Stick 360 cam in, and you're ready to shoot. Tap the front button or the power button to get out of power save mode. Connect to Friends Manager and control all of 360 cam's functions without complicated extra steps. Now let's take a photo for still shots. Just a quick tap for video pull the button for more than a second. More than just high quality pictures and videos. With 3 built-in mix, you can take more video and realistic 360-degree videos. You can also shoot using the G5 shoot and stop. Easy, so we like it. Life's good when you play more LG 360 cam. Number 2. HX99 Powerful zoom and serious performance. Despite its super compact size, the HX99 delivers high-quality images and outstanding performance, incorporating high-level features like 24/7 21 zoom, 4K 2:3 video recording, fast and precise app, plus a high-contrast OLED electronic viewfinder, handy control ring and tiltable LCD touchscreen for easy operation. The HX99 has a couple of features over the HX95 for shooters who want a bit more control. It comes with a lens ring adjustment for access to manual exposure settings and other advanced controls, and also has a touch screen that lets you touch to select focus. Number 3. Capture images in any condition with the Panasonic Lumix TS7 waterproof tough digital camera. This rugged camera can reach depths of 102 feet without needing a case thanks to its waterproof design. It also comes with freeze-proof protection to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for winter sports and mountaineering. You don't need to worry about dropping the camera either, since it offers drop protection to 6.6 feet. The 20.4 megapixel MOS sensor clearly captures subjects, even in low light settings. Plus, it can record video in 4K 30p quality. With the Lumix TS7, you can also turn 4K video frames into high-resolution photos using the 4K photo mode. If you're looking for some fun features, then try creating special effects using one of the 22 filters. If you liked it, please share and subscribe. Thanks, I will see you in the next one.